If you want to create a rental website on Squarespace, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to set it up the right way. Whether you're renting out camping gear, a photo studio, event equipment, or any other asset, Squarespace can help you build a clean, professional booking experience that looks great and makes it easy for customers to reserve what they need. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look for the option to create a new website. This is where you'll start building the foundation for your rental business online. When Squarespace shows you the template catalog, take a moment to filter the options by choosing either real estate and property or services. Those categories usually have layouts that work really well for rental businesses because they focus on visuals, listings, and clear service presentation. Now, when you're choosing your template, look for one with spacious image areas. That matters a lot for a rental website because your inventory needs to be seen clearly. People should be able to quickly view the item, understand what it is, and feel confident about booking it. So whether you're displaying tents, rooms, vehicles, or equipment, choose a template that gives your photos room to breathe and keeps the layout clean and easy to navigate. Once your template is selected, the next step is to set up your scheduling system. From the main menu sidebar in Squarespace, click Scheduling to initialize your booking console. This is the part that turns your websites from a simple brochure site into a real rental booking system. Without this setup, visitors may be able to browse your site, but they won't be able to reserve your items in an organized way. Inside the scheduling menu, click Appointment Types, then choose New Type. This is where you create each rental item as its own bookable listing. Now, rename the appointment type to match the asset you're renting out. For example, you could name it 4-person camping tent, photo studio room B, bike rental, or anything else that clearly describes the rental item. The goal is to make it obvious to your customers exactly what they're booking. After naming the rental item, you need to set the exact duration. This part is important because it controls how long each booking lasts. If you're renting by the hour, you could set the duration to 4 hours. If you're renting for a full day, set it to 14 to 40 minutes. Choosing the right duration helps prevent confusion and keeps your booking calendar accurate. It also helps you control availability, so customers can only reserve the asset for the time period that makes sense for your business. Next, input the price required to lock down the booking. This is your booking fee or a rental rate, depending on how you want to structure your service. Make sure the pricing is clear and realistic for the item you're offering. If needed, you can later adjust your pricing strategy based on demand, seasonality, or whether you want to require a deposit versus full payment. The main thing is to make the booking process simple and transparent for your customers. Once your rental item is created in scheduling, go back to your website editor panel. Open your catalog page, click Add Block, and then select Scheduling. This is where the booking feature gets added directly to the page your visitors will use. When the scheduling block appears, choose your specific rental item from the drop-down menu. Squarespace will then render an interactive, real-time availability calendar directly on your canvas. That calendar is what makes the site feel functional and professional. Visitors will be able to view available dates and times, see when the rental is open, and book without needing to contact you back and forth. This reduces friction, saves you time, and gives your customers a much smoother experience. If you have multiple rental assets, you can repeat the same process to add each one as a separate booking option. As you build out the rest of your site, make sure the images, descriptions, and booking sections stay consistent. Use clear titles, high-quality photos, and simple wording so people understand exactly what they're reserving. A strong rental website should feel trustworthy, easy to use, and fast to book. If possible, also add pages for FAQs, policies, pickup details, or location information so customers have everything they need before confirming a reservation. And that's it. You've now set up a Squarespace rental website with a booking system that lets customers see availability and reserve your items in real time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next website tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.